Go ahead, ma'am.
Bakit gano'n
And
naman?
we are discuss po yung aming new project, which is Bel Air Villas. Bel Air Residences kasi yung diniscuss ko kanina. So, yung project po kasi namin is patapos na. So, meron lang po kami siguro mga 30 units na lang available kay Bel Air Residences. That's why we opened a new project na po. So, pakita ko lang po ang short video clip for the perspective po ng aming main gate and clubhouse swimming pool. Ayan po yung aming perspective po ng main gate and clubhouse swimming pool. Yan. So, here po yung vicinity map natin wherein makikita nyo po yung 3 projects po namin. So, here po, first, yung una ko pong na-discuss na project, si Casa Feliz is located in Barangay Pusil. Ano po? So, here po, paglabas ni Casa Feliz, Balete exit na po ito. So, going to Manila and going to Batangas City. Ganun po ka-accessible si Casa Feliz. Then, here naman po sa side na ito, kasi ito pong color brown na ito, this is the bypass road. Ito yung 6-lane bypass road po ni Lipa. So, napakalapit din po niya sa bypass road. And going to Leviste Highway, malapit po siya kay SNR, University of Batangas. And then, yung next project po namin, Bel Air Residences po. So, ito po yung along Santo Tomas Lipa Road, going to Los Baños, Alaminos, Santo Tomas, and San Pablo. And then, ang second gate po ni Bel Air Residences, ang labas po nito is yung going to SNR na, Leviste Highway na po. So, kapag diniretso po ito, going to Balete, exit na rin siya. So, ganun po ka-accessible. Madami po ang client po namin na nag-invest talaga kay Bel Air Residences kasi gawa po ng location. Very accessible po yung location niya. Lalong-lalo na po, Bel Air Villas po. Kasi si Bel Air Villas po, from the main gate, ilang meters lang po, bypass road na po ito. So napakalapit niya po kay SM and different universities po like National University, Batangas State University. We have also University of Batangas and malapit din po siya sa Lasal, De La Salle pa. Two-way po going to De La Salle if they dadaan po sila sa Bypass Road or sa Startol. Kasi lalabas sila sa Tambo exit, De La Salle pa na po yun. And meron po kasi kami sa likod ni University of Batangas, meron po doong Suntorized Business Center. So this is ay parang ang target po dito is a small BGC. So that is 10 minutes walk po from Bel Air Villas. So magiging center, ito na po yung magiging center or heart ng Lipa City. Once na na-open po itong Suntorized Business Center, dito po yung sa ating commercial area po na itatayo. So napakalapit niya po kay Bel Air Villas. So this is our site development map. Ano po? So ang ating pong main gate is located here. Ilang meters away po, bypass road na po ito. Itong area na po ito. So kung makakapag-site orientation po tayo, mas makikita nyo po yung area. Then, we also have a gate 2. So mahilig po kami sa gate 2. Lagi po kami may access. So, gate 2 po namin is located here po. Na ang labas po nito is doon na po sa may Santo Toribio. Going to Balete exit na. So if the client po ayaw niyo mag-pass through sa stoplight sa may bypass road, pwedeng dito sila mag-exit sa aming gate 2. Ang aming sales office po, so once na nag-site orientation po tayo, dito po sana kasi tayo mag-face-to-face orientation. So ang aming site office or marketing office po is located here. So, ito po yung temporary road na dinadaanan muna namin for now kasi ongoing pa po yung bypass road. Hindi pa po kasi siya tapos. Kaya dito pa kami dumadaan sa temporary road. Later, may short video clip po ako ng paano pumunta kay Bel Air Villas. And then, ilang meters lang po from the office, dito po itatayo yung clubhouse swimming pool. Then, dito naman po yung basketball court. So, as you can see po, hindi na kami naglagay ng masyadong malaking modern Zen garden space. Ano po, so ang ginawa po namin, ikinalat na po namin yung Zen garden sa lahat ng area. So, kung makikita nyo po, may mga areas po kami natataniman ng mga puno. So, ang target po natin dito is para maging greenery yung ating subdivision. So, lahat po yan ng area na yan, tataniman po namin siya ng puno para ma-feel lang po ni client na even naglalakad siya sa kalsada para po siyang naglalakad sa park. So, this area po, ito po yung mga house and lot package area po namin. So, later, iisa-isahin po namin yung mga units sa inyo. This area naman po, at saka dito sa other side, ito po ay for now, lots only po yung ibinebenta po namin dito. So, pwede po tayong lot only. Ito pong area na to, dito po natin itatayo yung aming duplex units. Ito po sa ngayon yung open for the duplex units. So, this is our Ariana model. This is the largest unit po namin. So, the total floor area po is 165 square meter and the minimum lot area po is 165 square meter. So, the total contract price po is 10,980,000. Monthly equity, naka-long term pa po tayo. So, your client, if nag-reserve na po, long term pa po yung ma-avail nilang down payment. Kasi 36 months po tayo, zero interest po yun. So that is around 58,000 plus. And the monthly amortization po, if bank financing po tayo, nasa 73,000 plus for 20 years. So we have accredited banks po We have BPI, PNB, Metrobank, and Asia United Bank. Currently, open pa naman po kami to other banks na magpapa-accredit sa amin. So, ang ano po namin dito, si client po is magpo-provide lang ng requirements, kami na po ang magpa-process sa bank. Kasama na din po dyan yung title transfer sa ating total contract price. So, wala na po silang alalahanin po regarding sa title transfer. So, ang income requirement po na titingnan natin for Ariana model unit na client, meron po sila dapat gross monthly income na 233,000 a month. Yun po yung income requirement natin for Ariana model. So, sino-sino po ba yung client na yun na pwede nyo pong offeran? So, si Ariana model po, we have living space. Sa ground floor po, meron tayong guest room, toilet and bath, maid's room. Ano po, may storage room din po sa ilalim ng hagdan. Then the dining, kitchen. Ano po, then 2 carport po tayo. On the second floor po, master's bedroom with toilet and bath. Then another toilet and bath po as common CR to bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Then yung access going to balcony po is nasa hallway. Yan po. So this is a sample computation for Ariana model. So inclusive na po yan ng VAT and miscellaneous. So kaya po nag-come up tayo sa total contract price na 10,980,000. Our down payment po is 20% of the total contract price. Reservation fee po is 50,000. Which is 50,000 po is part ng 20,000. So, i-deduct po natin yun sa down payment. So, divided in 36 months po, so around 59,000 plus. The remaining 80% po, depende po kung ano gusto ni client na financing. Pwede pong bank financing. So, currently, the interest rate of the bank is around hanggang 7.5%. In-house financing po, kay developer po, si developer po yung mag-finance, so ang interest rate po is 14% per annum. So medyo malaki lang po kasi hindi, kung ano po yung basic requirements na hinihingi namin, yun na po yung requirements ni client. Unlike kay bank, na talaga kung ano po yung hingi nila, kailangan nilang i-provide yung mga requirements. May question po sa computation?
Ma'am, kung sa in-house financing, usually ang dahilan kahit na higher interest rate, higher monthly yan, kasi baka minsan may problema yung kliyente sa credit standing niya. Yun ba, yung bang ganong situation, na-approve pa rin ba siya for in-house or direct financing? Kunyari, may problema sa delinquency sa credit card. Kasi pag agad siya, diba?
Pag in-house financing po, as long as they provide the basic requirements like proof of income, so we did not, though check namin if they can pay, ano po, they can pay the monthly, if they can assure that they can pay the monthly, wala naman po problema. They need to issue post-dated check po.
Okay. So actually, ganun naman yung usual na situation. Bakit pinipili yung in-house kahit na higher?
Yes.
Higher monthly,
yes
higher
po. Especially yung mga ano po kasi din yung mga, like businessman. Kasi yung mga dide-declare po nila for their FS, alam na po natin kasi iba yung sa BIR. Ano po? So yun yung mga hindi na ano lang ni bank.
Basta may post-dated checks.
Yes, sir.
May arrangement po ba din si developer na parang auto-debit sakali? Wala pa.
Ano sir, kami, cash and check.
Okay.
Then bank transfer, direct deposit po sa aming account. Yun po. Wala pa po kaming auto-debit.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
Okay po. Then ang maximum term po natin for that is 15 years. Yan. For Audrey model naman po, so ito yung sunod po namin na largest unit. So that is around 9,028,000. Monthly equity for 36 months po is 47,000 plus. And Monthly amortization for 20 years if bank financing po is 60,000 plus. Floor area po nito is 137 square meter. Pwede po siyang itayo on a minimum lot area of 165 square meter. So, ito po yung floor plan niya. So, we have a living space here, maid's room sa ground floor, toilet and bath, ano po, dining kitchen. Then, on the second floor po, we have family area here. So, ito yung going to balcony. Master's bedroom with toilet and bath po. And another toilet and bath as common CR for bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. So, si Audrey po, meron pa siyang 4 meters. So, medyo malaki po yung likod po. Perfect for gardening or other na pwede nilang gawin sa likod. But may option pa rin po si client to extend the house up to 2 meters. So once na nag-extend po sila, pwede po namin siyang isama sa construction para hindi na po sila mag-back-back ng mga walls. Kailangan lang kasi may maiwan tayong 2 meters po sa likod. So before we construct naman po the house, magko-construction meeting po muna kami with the client to discuss the specification bago po namin itayo yung bahay. So if ever po na magpa-extend po siya ng 2 meters, may additional cost lang po tayo. Si client, which is i-discuss naman po sa construction meeting. So this is a sample computation po for Audrey model. So same pa rin po, 50,000 reservation fee, 20% po of the total contract price. Yun po yung ating down payment. So ito naman po yung aming duplex. So the total contract price for duplex po is 6.344. Monthly equity for 36 months is 33,000 plus. And the amortization for 20 years if bank financing po is 42,000 plus. So the floor area is 74 square meter and the minimum lot area po ng aming Andrea unit po is nasa 88 square meter. So, ang ating pong floor plan, so we have 2 carport, living space. Sa baba po, sa ilalim ng hagdan, powder room na po tayo. Then, dining, kitchen. Sa second floor naman po, we have 1 toilet and bath as common CR for the 3 bedrooms. So, this is a sample computation po for Bell unit. So, same lang po tayo, 20% of the total contract price is the down payment. Now, yung sa mga lot only po, may mga areas po as discussed po kanina, may mga area pa po kami doon na naka for sale po as lot only. So, our down payment for lot only is 30% of the total contract price. Same po yung ating reservation fee which is deductible to the down payment. So, our down payment po is long-term pa rin po, 36 months to pay, 0 interest po. And the remaining 70% po is ipapasok po natin as for financing. It's either po bank financing or in-house financing. So if ever si client, lot only po ang in-avail, usually ang tanong, kailan po siya pwedeng patayuan po ng house? So normally po, dapat fully paid po ang lote bago po tayo magpatayo ng unit. If ever na bank financing po siya, na loan niya, binayaran kami ng bangko, tapos sa bangko na lang siya magbabayad, considered as full payment po yun sa amin. 3 years from the date of full payment, kailangan po within that 3 years, mapatayuan po ng house yung lote. Do you have any question po regarding sa lot only? So sa lot only po, sila na po yung
It's 11 o'clock.
Sila na po yung magtatayo ng bahay nila. So, depende po kung anong design. Basta hindi lang po sila nalalayo sa design namin. Modern Zen design pa rin. And the developer po will allow up to 3 story.
Oh, okay. Tapos pagdating sa project cost niya, dapat hindi bababa ng 6M.
The minimum construction cost, sir, is 4 million.
Okay. Kasi At least, basta hindi masyadong hindi inferior sa 40.
Yes po,
Kasi
sir.
baka ang gusto ng client, baka belo lang, di ba? Kasi, di ba, baka. Okay. Tapos,
Yun po.
pag ganyan, may construction bond pa ba kung lahat konti lang?
Yes, sir. Ang house construction bond is 150,000.
Na refundable naman.
Refundable. Pero may charge pa rin. May service
May
charge.
certain portion nun.
Deductible pa rin.
Okay. Tapos ma'am, yung 120, typical, yan yung average size. May mas malaki pa dyan.
Yes, sir. May minimum po is the 120. So may mga corner lots po kami doon na lot na 148 square meter, 158. Yung area po na itinuro ko kanina sa mapa na house and lot package, except for doon sa unit na bell, except po doon, pwede po natin pa siyang ibenta as lot only.
Oo.
Yes po.
Kahit na nakamapa siya kay developer na tatayuan,
House and lot.
na tatayuan, pwede rin siyang ibenta ng lot.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Sige ma'am. Thank you.
So now, i-share ko po sa inyo, we have a summer promo. So if you have client po na nag-avail ng house and lot package within April 1 to June 30, meron po kaming appliance showcase promo. So if Ariana model po, pipili po siya sa dalawang option. It's either po kitchen showcase or entertainment showcase po. So sa kitchen showcase, makakakuha po siya ng gas range, 9 cubic refrigerator, and microwave oven. And if napili naman po niya ay entertainment showcase, meron siyang 55 inches smart TV, party box set with wireless microphone. If Audrey model naman po yung na-purchase niya, meron siyang 1 HP air condition, 42 inches smart TV, and washing machine. If yung duplex naman namin, si Bell, meron siyang 7 cubic refrigerator and smart microwave oven. So, ang promo po na ito, ibibigay namin ito kapag unit turnover na po as housewarming po namin sa kanila. So, upon reservation, meron po kaming coupon na ibibigay, which is yun yung ipapresent niya kapag turnover na po namin yung house sa kanila. So, yung amin lang pong promo na ito, hindi lang siya convertible into cash. So, kung showcase po talaga, appliance, yun talaga po yung ibibigay namin. So, hanggang June 30 po yan na promo namin. So, yan po, everything is walking distance kay Bel Air Villas po. So, we have a project team of moderns and inspired. So, meron kaming lots only, house and lot packages. So, the residential lot size starts sa 120 square meter. Though yung aming duplex po, starts siya sa 88 square meter. Yun yung pinakamaliit namin. Then, yung target amenities po namin is clubhouse, swimming pool, playground, basketball court, park garden, zen garden na ikinalat na po namin sa area, and other open spaces. So, ito po yung short video clip lang para pumunta kay Bel Air Villas. So, paglabas mo kasi ng Balete exit, bypass road na po kasi yun eh. So, this area po, yan yung University of Batangas. Dito po yung Suntorized Business Center na itatayo sa likod ng University of Batangas. Then, dito po yung going to Bel Air Villas. Ito po yung sinasabi ko kaninang temporary road po muna na dadaan. So, bakit po ba mas magandang i-encourage yung client na mag-invest in here in Lipa?
Welcome to one of the fastest growing where you'll enjoy 2 to 5 degrees weather than Manila all year. Introducing Lipa City, only 1 hour to Makati, Alabang, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas. Go City, university town with over 10 universities and growing. Major commercial and expanding entertainment and business centers. ITV PO Hub. Wellness and medical centers. tourism destination. Rich tradition, culture, and history. Growing population. Gateway to provinces of Batangas. Quezon. Bicol. Major developers are coming in and building big, thanks to the newly completed 6-lane bypass road. All these are conveniently accessible to Bel Air Villas subdivision, Lipa's newest premium housing project that's right at the heart of the Sim-to-Rise lifestyle and commercial district of the city. Call us for a special site tour.
So yan po. So alam naman po natin na Lipa City, malamig po dito sa area po namin compared to other areas po. So I know po most of the prospect po natin, ang prefer is to invest here in Lipa, Batangas, ano po, as retirement home if they are from Manila. Yun po. We can encourage them po kasi madami na rin po yung mga ano dito mga tourist spot and napaka-accessible po ng location ni Lipa City. And also po, if you have client po na businessman, pwede nyo rin po silang ma-encourage na mag-invest here in Lipa kasi yung population po ni Lipa is pataas. So it's a good for them po na mag-invest dito and dito din sila mag-ano ng business nila. So, isa po sa pinagmamalaki naman po namin as part po kami ng developer, yung mga units po namin and project ay merong high investment returns po. So, kagaya po ng sabi ko kanina, like kay Casa Feliz, before we are selling it at 800,000, now nasa 1.520 na po. Then, like kay Bel Air Residences, if nasa 4 million po before, year 2016 po yun, now ang value po ng property is around 8.2 million. Ano po? So, aside from high investment returns, maganda rin po yung rental income ng client namin kay Bel Air Residences. So, yung mga units na ipinakita ko po kanina, they can rent it out around 40 to 60,000 a month. So, if kompleto po yung gamit, may client po kami dyan na nakapagpa-rent ng 100,000 a month. Ganun po yung rental income, parang Manila rate na rin po. So, kaya po tuwan-tuwa yung mga unit owners po namin dyan. Madami rin po kaming repeat homeowners dyan. So, before, yung parents po muna yung kumuha. And once na, nung time na nakagraduate yung mga anak nila, unti-unti, sila din yung nag-invest kay Bel Air Residences pa rin. And also, yung mga unit owners po namin na before, smaller units yung nakuha. So since tumaas na nga po yung investment return, binenta nila yung unit nila, yung napagbentahan, kay Bel Air Residences pa rin po nila ininvest sa mas higher units. So yun naman po yung ano namin kasi they know na the developer and kung ano yung investment nila na ibinibigay po. And also po, Bel Air Villas, that is 10 minutes walk to a business center po, yung Suntorise sa likod ng University of Batangas. And due to bypass road po, that is 1 hour going to Makati, Alabang, Cavite, Laguna, and Batangas area. So, ganun na po kabilis and ka-accessible ang aming Bel Air Villas. So, let's discuss naman po yung promo incentive po natin. So, I know ito na po yung ating parang target din natin. Paano po ba tayo kikita sa aming projects? Ano po? So, I think I have 7 minutes po siguro. So, after this, kasi medyo mahaba din po ito, pasok lang po ulit tayo in case tayo ay maputol po sa ating Zoom meeting. So we have promo incentives for the sellers. So in case po, let's discuss po muna kay Casa Feliz. So if ito po is kauna-unahan niyo pong benta kay Casa Feliz, meron po kaming icebreaker incentive. So for the agent po, 1,000, manager 500, broker 500. And aside from the icebreaker, ito po is one time lamang. Para lang po ito sa kauna-unahang benta nyo po kay Casa Feliz. And every reservation po, meron po kaming reservation incentive, which is outright po namin yan ibinibigay. For the agent, 1,000, manager 5,000, broker 5,000. Paano nyo po makukuha si icebreaker and si reservation incentive? Paano po namin siya may outright sa inyo? Unang-una po, kailangan natin is the 6,000 reservation fee. Ano po? Second, makapirma po sila ng ating kontrata dito po sa office. Nakapag-submit po sila ng 2 valid IDs and proof of billing. So yun po yung 4 na kailangan po namin para po ma-outright bigay po namin or release sa inyo yung icebreaker incentive and reservation incentive. Then we have a commission advance po. This is optional po if you want. So this is a privilege naman po. Once po na nakapagpasa si client ng proof of income, pwede po tayong mag-commission advance. So that is 1,000 for the agent, 500 for the manager, 500 for the broker. So reminder lang po that this commission advance po will be deducted on your first com. Automatic po yun. Sa first com po namin siya i-deduct. So as long as nakapag-provide po ng proof of income, so after the 2 valid IDs, signed contract, reservation fee, proof of billing, so para ma-release po namin yung commission advance, the additional requirement is the proof of income. Yun po ay kay Casa Feliz. For Bel Air Villas and Bel Air Residences po, if kauna-unahan niyo po itong benta kay Bel Air Villas and Bel Air Residences, the icebreaker incentive po is 2,500 for the agent. Manager is 1,250, broker is 1,250. Then reservation incentive po for the agent is 8,000 pesos, manager po is 4,000, broker is 4,000. And also po, we have privilege po nyo is the commission advance. So for the agent, 5,000, manager 2,500, broker 2,500. And commission advance po is deductible on your first com. So same po yung requirements natin, icebreaker and reservation po, kailangan po is 50,000 reservation fee, nakapag-sign po si client ng contract, 2 valid IDs, and proof of billing. Para naman po ma-release namin yung commission advance, kailangan po may proof of income na na-provide na si client. May question po ba? Okay naman po.
Okay naman.
So we have a monthly on-target incentives din po. So kay Casa Feliz, if the agent po targeted 2.6 million, may incentive, additional incentive po siyang 3,000. So 2.6 po, that is 2 units na Rihanna model na diniscuss ko po kanina. Kasi yung 2 units namin, kung 1.520, around 3 million plus po yun. So target po siya for the monthly. Si manager naman po, 5.2 million yung target. May additional incentive po siya na 4,000. And the broker head po is 10.4 million po yung target. Makakakuha siya ng 4,500. For Bel Air Villas naman and Bel Air Residences, kung nakabenta po si agent ng 6 million, 6,000 incentive po yun. Manager, 12 million, nasa 8,500. Broker head po, 24 million target po. Additional 10,000 incentive po sa kanila. So that's why I need the list, sir, ng inyong manager. Sino-sino po yung inyong manager? Sino-sino po yung sellers nila? Para mas maano lang po yung monitoring din.
I-provide na lang po namin.
Yes po, sir. Aside from monthly on-target incentive, meron po kaming quarterly on-target incentive pa rin. So kung si agent po is naka 7.8 million, may additional incentive quarterly po ito, 12,000. Si manager po 15.6 million, 16,500. Broker head po if 31.2 million, 19,000 po ang incentive. Quarterly po yan. So kung naka-avail po siya ng monthly and nakahabol pa siya sa quarterly, makukuha niya pa din po yan. For Bel Air Villas and Bel Air Residences, if the agent po targeted 18 million, may incentive po siyang 27,000. Manager, 36 million. Ang incentive po niya is nasa 38,000 pesos. And the broker had 72 million, around 43,500 po yung incentive na ibibigay po namin. So for now, nakalatag po kami monthly and quarterly. So sa year-end po, ilalabas rin po namin yun. Wala pa lang po sa ngayon. So okay po ba yung ating incentive?
Yes, yes.
So it's part of your planning na po kung ilan po ba yung ito-target nating units na pwede nating mabenta para ma-target lang po natin itong para sa incentive natin. So yan po, na-discuss ko naman po yung mga for submission ng reservation. So along ng pagbabayad ni client lang po, syempre kailangan lang po namin yung iba pang basic requirements like birth certificate, marriage contract, BIR 19014 verification. Kailangan po kasi namin yun sa title transferring. Next, we have a support to sales network po. Like yung ginagawa po namin, PKS, booth manning if may schedule, tripping assistance po, binibigay din po namin yan. So, pwede po kami mag-pick up point sa SM Lipa or sa Big Ben. Yun po. Then, mga marketing collaterals po na kailangan nyo like flyers or other marketing materials po, ipinoprovide din po namin. And meron po kaming mga scheduled open houses. So, ang target lang po namin sa open house is closing activities na po. Closing activities na po tayo. So, if you have client po na in-invite, na-tripping nyo na, na-discussan nyo na,